Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about how to add a custom domain name to our Blogger website. Now, if you're familiar with Blogger, they have their own custom domain name, that is .blogspot.com. Now, if you want to create a new Blogger, a new website on Blogger, it will provide their own custom name with the .blogspot.com. For example, if you want to create a website on ebooks, ebooks.blogspot.com. now with an extension of .blogspot.com doesn't seem professional, and even getting an AdSense approval for .blogspot.com as more factors. There are more factors that determine whether the Google will approve the AdSense for .blogspot.domain or not. So in order to skip all this lengthy process and get a website which is free with hosting, which is free, which is definitely by Google, by adding a custom domain, we can make a website which looks more professional, like this one. We can see over here, this is downloadfreetemplate.in, a purely website made from Blogger which looks more professional and with the AdSense approved. So we can just I'll show you. This is a website where you can get all templates for your Photoshop, After Effects, and WordPress themes, Blogger themes, and even the WordPress plugins of premium version, which everything will be provided. It's all for free. Now you can check this website. I'll give the link in the description. So let's see how we can add a custom domain to our Blogger website by taking a domain from Hostinger. Now, if you have taken a domain from different sites, it will the process is still the same. Just the interface will be difference according to their page. It will be little slightly different, but the process is definitely same. Now, if you want to buy a domain or you haven't purchased any domain and you want to add a custom domain to your Blogger website, I'll give the link in the description. The first link you can see, get domain. I'll give the coupon discount so that you can get the domain at very cheap price. Do check that out. So before getting to the topic, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and ring that bell so that whenever I come up with a new video, I'll send you notifications. So with that being said, let's get into the topic. So now this is the Blogger website I've just created as a test subject. Have to add a domain into this so that I can actually remove the .blogspot.com. Let me show you. Now this is the URL, which is a lengthy URL, justfusiongallery.blogspot.com. now this doesn't seem professional, and even getting AdSense approval for this website is really difficult because Google checks if it has quality traffic, and if it has more traffic or good contents on the blog, only then it's going to get an AdSense approved. So we can skip that, and just by adding a custom domain, we can give an approval for AdSense and make it more professional and with AdSense ready. So first thing is that after purchasing a domain, now this is a hosting a cPanel. The process will be same, just the UI UX or the design of the cPanel will be slightly different, but you can follow me with the hosting if you're having, and if you're having any other domain, or if you haven't purchased, I'll give the link in the descriptions. So just follow as I'm doing. We need to go to domain section, or if you're having only one domain, just click on manage. Let me go to the domain section. And click on DNS zone. We need to go to the DNS of a certain domain. So if you have any other the design of the cPanel is slightly different, just go and search for DNS. And in the DNS we need to add certain things. So let's check it out. Now I have taken a domain name called justfusion.online. So if you have taken any domain, just come to settings and click on come to this publishing section and click on custom domain. Now write the domain which you have purchased with the www. For example, www.justfusion.online, and click on save. Now we'll see this error. Now we have to insert some code in our cPanel. So don't skip any step. If you're skipping, you'll miss everything. So just come over here. They have given the name. This will be same, slightly different, same to you, but the name will be different. So just take a close look at it. Now this is www. Name should be www, and destination should be ghs.google.com. Just copy this ghs.google.com. Control C, and come to the DNS zone editor, and here you can see the name. We have to place the code in the C name. So as you can see, www is already there. We need to edit this section. As it says, the name should be www and the destination is ghs.google.com. So we have the name, we just change this to ghs.google.com, whatever it's showing, that it's probably the same. Then click on save. So once we're done with this, we need to add another, which is the second one. Here they have given the name is this one. So copy this and click on add new. Now the name, paste it right over here, and the destination is this one. The entire thing, just copy it and paste it right over here and click on save. Now we have done with the CNAME. Next thing, let's take a chance and click on save button. Let's see how it goes. Now as you can see, now it's added, but there is another thing we need to do, because if I am going to show you just fusion.online, as you can see, there is no, the site can't provide a secure connection. We need to add HTTPS. Just make sure you click this on. Now the status is unknown. It will take a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes to get into that working level. So after doing that, just click on refresh button, and as you can see, there is a redirect domain which is asking us to redirect justfusion.online to www.justfusion.online. Now what this means is that whenever comes to a website, they won't type initial www. So what it's asking is, if someone wants to come to a website directly, they have to be redirected to our original, which is www.justfusion.online. So I don't have to type the entire www.justfusion.online. I can just type justfusion.online and go to the website. So that's what they're asking us to do. So just click on this redirect domain. So all we write direct name justfusion.online will be redirected to www.justfusion.online. As you can see, the HTTPS availability section is pending. We can refresh it or come and check it after 10 minutes. This should be on. The status should be on. So now we have done with all the setup process. We have enabled the HTTPS. As you can see, we have placed the code. Now HTTPS is saying the status is still pending. So we need to check this after 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It will basically take 10 or 15 minutes to get it on, make it available. The status should be available. So do check it after 15 minutes. I'm going to pause over here and resume it after 15 minutes. We'll see. So don't panic if you're owning and it's still saying pending. It will take 15 minutes. Maximum it will be 20 minutes. So do check it out after 20 minutes and refresh it. So as it is after 10 minutes, and let's check it out. Let's refresh and let's see if it is still pending or the status has turned available. As you can see, it has been changed to available. Now we can just go to our website and it is all been set. Let's check it out. Let's just type justfusion.online. As you can see, it has been connected to our Blogger website, and this is how you can actually, there's no content because I'm not started with it yet. So this is how you connect a custom domain to a Blogger website. So this is the exact method, the process. Don't skip any step, complete the process, and this is how you can connect a custom domain to any Blogger website. Make sure you have turned this HTTPS on because we need this secure lock. So that's it. That's how we can do it. So if you like my content, please give a like, and have any doubt, tell me in the comment section so I can make a video on it. I'll see you guys in the next video.